In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform in WordPress. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com. You can either sign up by clicking onto this Get Started option right there, or click onto this Login option that we can see right here. Now, head over next to Typeform and do the same thing by getting started and creating an account or logging in as well. Since I already have an account on both of them, let me head over and then click onto this login option right here in order to log in. Now here is my actual WordPress. So let's head over and edit this site. Click onto this edit site option. Let me head over and open this in a new tab. While that it's loading, let's head over right here into our type form. Choose in here the form that you wish to integrate into your site. I have in here this, so click on this new form and then open that. And once you have opened this, click onto this share option. Onto the share option, you should be able to see several share options like through links or embedding. So just wait for this to load as well. In here, you can see embed form. Let's add it on our website. And then it will ask us the embed mode. It can be through standard, or it can be as well through pop-ups, full page, side tab, and likes. Let's just choose in here the standard, and then choose in here the width, the height, full screen on mobile, as well as hide headers. Click on the start embedding, copy the code given right here, then into our WordPress editor, head over and then edit it through this. So in this, click on this plus icon that you can see. This will insert a block. In here we have the code. So let's head over and insert it wherever we want to put this. I'll head over and put this right here. Now once I have done that, I just need to write the code. So input right here the code that we wish to add, which is actually copied from Typeform. So just in here, as you can see, it's now been added. What you can do is you can just wait for this to actually load in order to see in here the Typeform that we have. Head over and save this, and when you preview it, it should be able to give us a Typeform. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.